Hi, my name is Elfverson and I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy, and I'm also the creator of the Introduction to Video Blogging course, and I really look forward to doing an in-person workshop. And we'll take all safety measures we can, so it's a very small group, so if you haven't signed up yet to claim your space, do so now. What we'll do is to introduce you to everything you need to know to get started when you want to start video blogging. And I know that vlogging or video blogging sounds like a big thing and maybe just for the kids, but what we are talking about is really establishing yourself as a go-to expert in your field by going out regularly on video on social media, sharing your expertise to support your audience. So it's actually a beautiful process, and it's the least salesy version you can actually work with of all content to create this awareness of you as an expert without having to share your prices and do active selling. So for a lot of people, especially in the holistic fields, this works really well actually as an awareness building tool, but also as a sales tool. We all love sharing our expertise, don't we? When we know we can support people, when we can share the insights and also success stories and top tips and show a process which is much quicker done with a video than if you're going to write a text about it. So video is brilliant in so many ways. It is also loved by the social media algorithms, those little workhorses and underneath the platforms that selects what content is going to promote it or not. So video is always ranking higher than other types of content. So working with video is essential if you want to grow your following online, really. So what's going to happen on the day? Well, the short essence of it is that you're going to learn to vlog. We're going to establish, first of all, why vlogging is so powerful, because when you know that, you'll also have a different perceptive of the whole process. You're going to understand it better. So we're going to lay the foundation and talk about different types of content category, different types of videos, where you can position yourself depending on what you do, and how to reach your audience through specific channels on social media, and also how to use videos for your website. And we're going to have a look at how to structure those videos so that you know how long they should be and what should be actually inside the videos. Then we're going to have a look at equipment, very basic pieces of equipment that you can choose to buy online if you want to, but one step at a time. You can start on your smartphone, which is what we will be working with. So you don't need to have any camera, you don't need to have any previous experience, by the way. We just work from the start with daylight. But I'm going to show you some lights, microphones, and some other little nifty tools and gadgets that I love that will just make it easier for you once you get your head around it. We're also going to look at the end product, so how to optimize your video once you've recorded it. So that's to do with, you know, titling and tagging and information and keywords and things like that. That also can sound a little bit scary if you're not used to working with it, but it will all be really straightforward when you use my planners and you see how you can work with your own knowledge and expertise and just transfer that into a structured line of content, really, so that you can build up content ideas for the future and then preferably batch shoot them once you get going. So I can't say anything else than sign up. I'd love to see you there. Grab your space while it's available. If you have any questions at all, do email us on courses@vlogacademy.com. courses@vlogacademy.com. Otherwise, just book your space and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.